In this video, we review a trend line breakout from last week that we had anticipated. It's a trade setup on the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Our traders were alert to make money on this trade as it was mentioned in our Telegram group. They got a heads up. Today, we're gonna take a close look at this trade setup. We're gonna show you the strategy from our textbook, My Trendline Breakout Strategy, and you'll see that you too can make money from home. Here's a disclaimer, it's required by law. Please subscribe as we continue to provide value. And as you know, we enter all trades with risk. Let's get to it. Hey traders, welcome back. We're going to have a quick review of trades from last week. Here's a blank chart. And when you look at these this chart, I'm using the wrong tool there. When you look at these charts, what you see is, I would say, lots and lots of opportunities that are occurring with a consistency. Okay. So in this area here, there was an opportunity. In this area here, here, of course, you see it went up, you see it went up, you see it went up, okay? Similarly, trend line break, comes down, pulls back, opportunity, opportunity, right? Because they're all going down. Look over here in this area here. Do you remember this opportunity here? It was the head and shoulders. We did a video on that. Broke the neckline, pulled back, and just went gazoo. Now, of course, I took profit. We took profit way too early on this one. Of course, here would have been my take profit spot. And the reason being, I'm not going to risk jumping above the 200 MA. You know, it just doesn't, right? It's not a guarantee. Price can turn around right there. Why would you do that? Let price turn down and take what profits you've made. So yeah, I took my profit. Anyway, so price went around. So I said to myself, ooh, we don't trade levels, but it's gone up above 1, 2. Here's a level, right? And then here's some levels here. But we don't trade levels, but you see that there's levels on the charts. We do gain understanding from levels. We don't trade levels, right? I'm just going to show you this in another way. Okay. This is a level, price broke through it. Okay. This is a level here. This one here. Oh, look at that. It happened to go to the pip. Okay. Okay. There's a level, broke through it. There's a level, broke through it. So if you're trading levels, it's like, hang on a minute. How do I know which one is or which one isn't? Okay. But they do give you some perspective. So as you see, this one here, it went to the pip. We didn't know that, but it just happened to do that. But we're looking at what happened last week. We gave a heads up on this trade in our trade group. Dollar Swiss, what we're trading. And this has been a huge move up. Very beautiful. 410 pips. But also quite unusual for this currency pair to run so prolifically and for so long. So we saw an opportunity and sure enough, we took it. Okay. We was watching out for it. All you do, you put your trend line on. It's so simple, isn't it? You put your trend line on. The easiest thing to do is to get in a trade. Okay. Easy to get in a trade. Your target is a whole nother thing. Okay. So we get in this trade. We're going to fib the leg that breaks the trend line. And where are we going? Typically, okay, we have a target 1, down here, mate. Look at that. target 1 is down here, 150 there. And then we have target 2. Okay. And we mark that on the chart. Okay. And then we have entry 1 and entry 2, right? We was expecting this trade to occur. We're currently trading on it. I'll say this right now because there's still time, if you like, to get in on this bad boy on the what is it? The euro pound. That's giving us a beautiful setup. Entry 1, entry 2, and this is the strategy. We've done this over and 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 over. Okay. Unless I'm very much mistaken, it looks like we're on our way to target number 2. That's a 96. If you got in here, 96 pip trade. If you get in here, that's potentially 70, 80 pip trade. Right? Because actually, we might only make it target 1. Target 1 is normally between here. We didn't quite get there. We took profit. I mean, I took profit. I'm not stupid. You know what I mean? End of the week, take your profit. Take your profit. You know? Look at what's happening here then. Okay, we had a bear flag. We're familiar with this. I talk about it all the time. We did a video on gold. Same thing, bear flag. If it goes above here, obviously, the trade's not in our favor. If it continues on down, then it is. So, I mean, we could almost look at it as say, see, that just looks a bit messy. That doesn't look like a bear flag to me. Do you know what I mean? Nah, I don't like it. That would be more, that'd be a bull flag if it goes in there. But that looks like the structure of a trend. So maybe we're doing a channel, right? Okay, this is how you use the patterns to understand it hasn't hit target yet, but how's it gonna get there, right? So what might it do? And this is what the value of understanding where your target is, number 1, but also understanding the pattern. So here we have the bear flag, and it's a channel, right? Breakout, pullback, okay? Comes up here, and then we're in this channel now, right? It's a good reason to get into a trade. Head on down there. This is just breaking down the detail. Stop loss up there. This is just breaking down the intricacies of getting in a trade where you can add positions to your target. How confident are you about your target? Right? That's very important. Okay. Again, this was just a quick trade, quick review, quick analysis, and hope you enjoyed it. This particular pair is the dollar Swiss. Please like, please share, please subscribe. We're growing. We're taking these trades on a continual basis, and we will continue to share on YouTube in this way. Hope you guys gain some benefit from it. Thank you much, and bye-bye.